Hi folks, welcome back to Backyard Aviary. We went to a bird auction. So we travelled about half an hour from our house to this auction. There were about 200 lots with various different birds, finches, many canaries, parrots, chickens, budgerigars and other bird supplies. We were on a reasonably low budget, but we had an idea of what we were specifically looking for. Primarily the birds we were after were specific kinds of canary to replace birds we'd lost. Also we were after a very specific kind of zebra finch. Here are a few of the birds, starting with the first batch of 2. This batch had 3 silverbills and 4 canaries. I had to fast forward the release as some of the birds took a while to come out. We were able to find many of the canaries we were looking for, but unfortunately didn't find the specific zebra finch we were after. Batch 2 has got a couple of surprises in it. Amongst 3 more canaries, there was a Siskin and also a red-headed finch. Again, I fast forwarded the release as the birds were quite slow to come out of the cage. At one point, a couple of birds, including one of our canaries, got in the cage. After finally coercing the last few birds out, we watched the birds acclimatise to the aviary. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and please subscribe. Thank you very much and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.